And it's a 360 wig, by the way. It has a comb in the back, and then it has adjustable straps. So that's super nice. Okay, let's see how this fit. It's body wave, by the way, and it's 20 inches. Yeah. Okay, so it just fits. It fits on the head perfect, though. It's not tight. This front tooth's looking bomb, y'all. You can't lie about that. I'm feeling the pre-plucked. I can see that. This hair is soft. Yeah, it's pre-plucked. You know, most people might want to go in and plug, but for you to not have to plug anything, I think it's doing pretty good for a pre-plucked hairline. Yeah, that's definitely pre-plucked. I don't even pluck this much when I do my wigs. I suck at plucking. I really don't know how to finesse with the plucking, so the fact that it's pre-plucked is pretty good, y'all. That looks pre-plucked. You see how it just fade in? That's what you want. You want like a faded hairline. Well, that's what I like, and that's what I like to see on these pre-plucked wigs. Like, it's not thick, it's not dense, it's not none of that. Get into that hairline, yo. Okay, so I cut one of the ear tabs off so it can fit my ear. Now you can see my whole ear. Now we gotta do the same thing over here. This is low-key a lot of work, but hey, if you know how to cut your ear tabs, this is go quicker, but I still suck at cutting my ear tabs for my ears to breathe. So it's taking me a little bit longer, but I'm gonna just do the same thing on this side. Y'all can see that. Gotta get snip. Well, of course it's gonna fall back. But look at that lace, y'all. Ooh, hold up. Look at that. Yeah, this is what's up. It's definitely pre-plucked. I'm loving it. It's actually pre-plucked, y'all. Literally pre-plucked. Yeah, that's nice. But right now, it's just literally drying, looking bomb as hell. So yeah. Okay, so I just get out the shower, so now we gonna finish styling this wig. And I put this little thing on so it wouldn't mess up, you know. Y'all get the gist. Whoa, that's laid. Whoa, that's laid. Whoa, that's laid. What? And then I'm gonna just wipe off the little residue from the extra glue. So, let's see these knots. Some people like they knots bleached a little bit more, but hey, I don't complain. You know, when stuff is already done, I ain't got no time to complain about nothing. That's the knots. You know, when I bleach my knots, they be orange. So like, it be like it be blonde. So I can say pretty much the knots are bleached for the most part. Like, you don't really have to do anything to the knots unless you want to. Now, I'm not saying you can't go in and bleach the knots, but hey, that's just pretty much optional. I'm not going back in and bleach the knots because looks pretty okay to me. I don't think it's bad. I think it looks just fine for me personally. But if you more of like you like bleaching your knots, then go ahead. I'm not. I'm wearing the wig just out the box, basically. So if y'all was to ever buy this wig, this would basically how it would be. Straight out the box, combed out curls. These curls don't look bad though. I thought they was gonna look bad. They don't. I ain't put no water in his hair, none of that. I just combed out these curls. Now I gotta see how I want to part my hair, if I want to do baby hair. Okay, so now I'm just doing the edges, y'all. Scoopity, scoopity. Oh yeah, this is what's up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, Ash. Hey. Oh yeah. This is what's up. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Did y'all see how that shit just curled? What? Watch this. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what's up. What? I'm sorry. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. ChinaLaceWigs done did some things today. Pre-plucked, bleach, natural hairline. Don't tell me about it. Tell me about it. What? What? Who did your friend to? Me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm getting cold. Alright, so what you want to do is just put this side in a ponytail. Have a ponytail holder for the front. Can I speak English, please? And then over here is what we're going to braid first, because clearly you need 3 sections to braid. You need a front, you need a middle, and you need an end. So that's 3 sections. Now I personally braid, I start from the back and then I work my way through the middle, and then I go and bring the front part around. So I'm not an excellent braider. I basically just suck. I just do enough to get by. But anyway, I don't know how to braid tight either. And when I grab hair, I'm grabbing from the middle part. That's the only place I grab hair from when I'm adding hair. If that makes sense. So that's basically how I slayed this hair, y'all. You already know I was in love with it. Y'all saw my reactions when I was doing the baby hairs and everything. Like, come on now. Y'all know I did this. Period. But this is China Lace Wigs 360 Body Wave Hair, 20 inches. I'll link it down below. And I'll also have the price and everything down below for y'all if you want to check it out. If you just want to look. I think the price is a little bit pricey. But you do get a pre-plucked bleach knots, natural hairline. So it's not bad. You can literally just buy this wig and then just put it on if you know how to do wigs. If not, you go to the hair salon, you know, get whipped, dipped, and slayed real quick without having to pluck, bleach the knots, or nothing like that. My knots ain't bleached. Well, I didn't do anything but put this wig on, so it's a little pricey, but the hair quality so far is really good. Y'all already know I have to give y'all a final update on this hair in like a month or two. But anyway, yeah, this is China Lace Wigs. I will link it down below if you want to, you know, check it out. And yeah, y'all, bye.